Cheap land for sale. There's a phone number and everything. See, cheap land for sale.
Oh, cheap land for sale.
You don't know?
Welcome back, viewers and subscribers, to Red Button Journal. Today, we're first off going to talk about cheap land for sale. Call 876-499-9501. Cheap land for sale.
And that's at...
And this is in... it's in Retreat. We're doing another retreat today. We're going down St. Clair Road right now. And so here we've already started the tour. We've already started our tour.
It's a big area, though. I didn't know
You know?
it was such a big
Yeah.
area.
I probably ought to put this up in here because it's not going to interfere with the camera at all. And then I can kind of not have to hold it constantly in my hand, you know? You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
That's probably a better idea. Probably a better idea, people. Oh, I'm going to have to put a little cord up here, though. There we go. Hopefully that's not going to be in the line of sight. Well, there's a lot. Retreat's a big area.
Yes,
And it's a nice area. I mean,
yeah. It's a big house.
this is really a nice part of St. Thomas. I mean, there's no denying it.
There's a lot here. Somebody's like, check it out.
There is no denying it that this is a nice part. Well, that's a flowers place. They sell flowers there.
Oh, yeah, one of the nursery. So many dogs. Wait, what's going on?
Well, I can about guess. But they all look like, they're all boys but one. Imagine that.
They're going to girls' town.
Imagine that.
What kind of house is this? This is like
It's
apartment.
a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 apartments, maybe.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a nice home. Look at this home. Wow.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah. Wow.
The color is nice too.
I like it too.
He's go way back, way back.
Lady's waiting for a gate to shut.
Yeah.
Well, look at this street. Look at this street in front of us, sweetie.
What?
Look how pretty it is. Just looking down the street.
Those palms.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is nice. This is really nice. You notice I have the air conditioning a little higher today. Hopefully it doesn't pick up the sound too bad. And I have my little, I got all my gadgets set up.
Yep.
Wow. Oh, look at they used old tires here for pots
Yeah.
to hold the soil
Yeah.
so they could have shrubs. But that's a good use of old tires, and instead of letting them sit around and gather water so they get mosquitoes in them, you know.
Nice.
It's a nice house. It's a nice house. This road's a little rough, though. I wonder here, maybe I ought to kind of come up with a plan on what I'm going to do here today. I'll kind of go up in here. Somebody's behind me. Probably wishes I'd do something. Look at the goats.
I wish they could go inside, you know? It look like some garage or something there. So much.
Yeah. Well, the nice thing about my little mappy map that I use, people, that I've shown you on a video or two ago, is it shows me, I can save and put on the map where I've been. So because I'm not going to be able to do this whole area today. So what I'll do is I'll do what I can, but when I come back, it'll be simple to know what I've already done. It'll be very simple, so we won't have any problems.
Look at these flowers.
Wow, what do you call those yellow flowers?
I don't know. They look like bell.
They're pretty.
I don't know.
Though earlier you were saying it's something you hardly ever see. Now look at that Look at their cactus, how it's so light colored.
It's a different variety.
Yes.
You have some that is green. That's not green.
Mm-hmm.
You're so old.
East Down Oak. You know, I think it was Down Oak that lady said she had somebody that lived on. But I was thinking Down Oak was in the next one over. But
This is full of water.
I think somebody's mother lives over here. Well, I guess she'll tell me in the comments. Or it might have been the one we did previous to this. Is the one I thought it was, but I can't remember the name of the road now, she said. But I hope they see it. I'll be clapping. Oh no, look at down here, see?
But it doesn't go far.
No, it just goes right to there. But if that's not even on the map. But the houses are on the map. Wow.
They don't have full good yet.
No, I don't need to go down there. Yeah.
The camera is old. Not the camera, the map is old.
Yeah, the map is old.
Yeah. This is the plum tree that I want. I planted some of the stick that I did not catch. I bought those plum at Yellows, and you like them. They were small and juicy. You have the yellow, the red.
Oh, look at this.
It look like it hang down there.
No, it's just these private lands.
Yeah, this is somebody's land, I think.
Yeah, this road is not on the...
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it is. It's tiny.
Oh.
Sometimes I think sometimes I think there's not a road.
But the road.
But the road is on the map. It's just tiny. See. The map is just tiny.
Nice piece of land here.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
I wonder if it's for those people that have the house there.
I think it's part of their house.
Yes, it look like they have a big piece of land.
That's a nice big home too. It almost looks like. Look how it's. I don't know.
It look.
It's something. I don't know what it is. It's just like it's a really fancy place.
Yeah.
Big, you know.
Yeah.
Now this is really well landscaped, but they need to trim out some of the weeds right here on the side of the fence. But
All right, those stories that you were saying so nice. See the different color to it here. Look.
Oh yeah,
Just
I see.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I think I've got my cameras aimed too high right now for this terrain, but
This is yam. Some yam. I don't know what kind of yam. It's running. This is what you'd call old bush yam. It's like no one not really doing anything to it. You just go and you just dig. Like somebody used to have a a garden there a long time, man. They give it up. Or mechanic going on.
Okay, if we go left, we would go up into the higher elevations, I think.
If we go right.
You want to go there?
Yeah, do it.
Oh boy, no. Look at all that. That's too much trouble. I'm going to turn this way for today.
Oh, they would go across that way.
Oh, I see.
Yeah,
I
go.
see.
So you want to take it and go?
No,
It's a asphalted road too.
I know. We'll do it next time. We'll do that next time. Because that goes way.
The garage is separate.
Way it goes clear to some other town. It's called Oxford Road, so it must take you to Oxford. I'm guessing. I don't know what Oxford is. But...
Oh, it's 2 houses in this yard. One small house and a big house. Then something was about to something started here. Oh, goats plenty in the area here when you make your steps outside that leads to the second floor. You're inviting goats.
Okay, and we came up this road and then turned that way, but I'm going to turn there and take a little loop that we missed and then come back out. Yeah, we didn't turn right here. We went straight. We didn't come this way. So I want to come this way now and see the houses. Okay. Okay, and we went there, so I'll just go back around this way. There's like a walking path or something up here on the map.
Like a what?
Like a walking path or something on the map.
You drove this way, man. I think, and that lady was down there.
Yeah, we saw the lady. Like over here somewhere, there's like a path. See, like right here. See?
Yeah, yeah.
See the path?
Yes.
See that walking path? It's actually on the map. But I don't dare try to drive it. Although I wished I could. Because it would get me where I'm trying to go quicker.
He's belting.
Beware of bad... Ooh, look at those bad dogs. It says, beware of bad dogs.
Beware of bad dogs. But
what's bad about them? They bite you?
Their mouth.
Well, I think we used to be funnier.
Well, we're getting older.
Well, I think we're getting older. It's hard to be funny anymore.
Yeah.
Especially when I keep mashing up my car. It's hard it's hard to get a giggle going when you're mashing up your car. You know? Oh, now what I could do here, and I probably should do, is take this little road up here and then turn around and come back after it dead ends.
Oh, it did. Okay.
I think.
Oh, this is a big house. Let's start.
Yeah.
It's there. It's just there.
You know?
What? Look at this goat.
What?
What?
What kind of goat is it? Look at him.
What the? That's a beautiful
Oh,
goat.
It's a beautiful goat.
He's a handsome man.
Oh, look at this. See, you can't even drive to that house. You just have to walk.
A nice house inside there.
Oh, yeah. You know what? I'm going to just pull up so I could see these beautiful homes.
Oh, there's a nice one.
Oh, there's a couple nice homes.
So,
Yeah.
oh, you have to turn.
Oh, no, you can drive right down to that one, see?
Oh.
But I'm not going to.
No.
Then it's got a walking path.
Oh.
Oh, no. Or is that it might be an elevation line on my map because I've got this set on topographical. Not to be confused with typographical. Well,
this ram goat is
Look
so
at him.
handsome.
he's a handsome boy.
Yeah. They better be careful, they'll steal them. Steal him at least.
Okay.
Yeah, he's a nice goat.
Okay.
I can bet they don't really want to sell him now, they just want to use him.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. They can pay, people pay money to breed,
Yeah.
to
Look
have
at
him breed.
him. Look at his arm.
Yeah.
Watch him. Look at his beard.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
Really nice. Really nice goat.
They better keep him. They better keep their eye on him at Christmas time. He's liable to disappear.
Yeah.
You know, they were saying that, what do they call it? Not petty larceny, the pet.
Larceny. Larceny.
Yeah, whatever.
Larceny, yeah.
Means you're robbing from farmers.
Yeah.
They said that's worse this time of year.
Yes.
And other kinds of robbery.
Especially with the ram goats.
But other kind of robbery is worse this time of year, I understand too, sweetie.
Yes, I know.
Yeah.
Christmas time. Those
Yeah.
you'll find those thieves. They come over from Kingston,
Oh.
come and bus, and those coasters and so on come over. Yeah, throughout. Like in Mark Bay, Port Antonio. Yeah.
Okay, so we came down that one. I guess.
Oh, that's a shop there.
I think I'm just going to go straight here because otherwise we're going to get, let's see here. Yeah.
See a road there? That
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it goes a long ways though. It's not just a little shorty. So
okay.
we'll do it another time. So I'm going to just stay going straight here and kind of watch these different houses here.
Watch the road.
Oh boy, I guess so, man. Whew. And there's a road there, same way as that other one, you know.
It goes way down.
Yeah, it'll go. I could go down there and turn and come back on
Look
the
at
one.
this gate. This.
Oh, that's interesting.
Yeah. It's
Some of them
It's
are
a-
broken off. Some
it's
are broken
it's
off.
tiled that are like that. It's tiled.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, some have been broken off.
This gate is simple and nice.
It looks like they painted those to look like it was blocks there.
Wow.
Mm-hmm.
Some nice houses around here.
Yeah.
Nice homes.
You know, yeah, and it seems like it would be a nice neighborhood.
Yes.
You know, anywhere in here.
Yeah.
You know, and the thing with any of these houses, they'd be comfortable, hopefully quiet, and just like now this one. You know, somebody's building a new house.
Yeah.
And then off to the other side here, they're keeping their landscape real nice and neat, see?
Yeah.
Yeah. Ooh, look at the waves in front of us in the ocean.
Oh yeah, the sea's rough.
It's really rough. The storm coming in.
Yeah.
You know,
Look look how that driving.
Woo! Oh yeah, that road goes a ways. Yeah, that road goes a ways too. It goes up in there and around, and then this road here.
This vehicle's coming.
This road here goes down, and that's a one.
You're in the road because that vehicle.
No.
Oh.
Guy behind me is wanting to go around. All right. Well, there's getting to be 2 minutes traffic.
No dumping because they were dumping.
Yeah, there's too much traffic from school, so I probably need to, you know, too much traffic from school. So, do I want to wrap it up because of that?
4 o'clock.
That's why.
How long are we? How long did
I've been filming 23 minutes. And it's starting to rain. We'll get a little water on the lens.
So what's sitting inside here?
Let's I normally need to go back that way to catch some stuff, but since we're on the main road now, I'm gonna just go on the main road here a little bit, wrap this up somehow.
Rain coming too.
Yeah, I don't care about the rain so much. I have to listen to my windshield wipers on the audio, and I do apologize for that, people. But it'll soon be raining, soon be rainy. And, you know, sometimes I need to come by here and just kind of go slow and just take, so you can see the side views and stuff real nice, but we'll just go a little ways here and get some pictures. And see, like here, I could be going slow and get pictures of those houses. So I'll do that next time, people. You'll be able to see those. But it's not the good time of day to be out filming because it's, what'd you say, sweetie, 4 o'clock?
Yeah, it's the peak hours where people getting from work, children.
People coming home from work, children coming home from school. It's just not a good time. So.
Picking up road here, so. Here. We still have a lot to do over here.
Oh,
what?
Yeah. Well, we haven't even started doing things like, you know, we could do some country driving. You know, drive to, well, like that Oxford Road, which would be at the end of what we had there. That goes and goes and goes. I don't know where it goes. I've never been on the road, but we ought to try it sometime, you know. But this road here, for example, you know, that's a real pretty house there to the left, and we're just racing past it. So we'll want to, but now's not the time to go slow, people, as I was saying. Now is the time to, if you try to drive slow, you're going to have a big interference with traffic. What I'm going to do is we'll see the ocean here, see how rough it is here on the ocean here in just a little bit, because it won't be long. And we'll come to Leith Hall and then we'll come down that little stretch. Okay, there you see the sign for Leith Hall. And you know, it's really getting overcast, so the picture's going to look kind of dim, but the reality is, people, things are really dim right now because it's really getting overcast.
Because we're expecting some bad weather.
Starting tomorrow, between tomorrow and sometime the next day, we could get as much as a foot of rain over the next 4 days. Or, you know, out in this part of this end of the island. This is where we're most likely. Then again, we've had such reports before and it didn't pan out, so. But I took my sun caps off my lenses because I already lost one today brushing up against the brush probably about the time I was, you know what? I bet I know when that came off.
Over there.
Because the car jerked. I mean, it just jerked our body so. I bet if I went back there right now, I'd find it laying there on the ground.
Yeah, without phone.
Yeah, if I didn't drive over it. You know?
Yeah.
All right, I'm going to just drive slow right here. Just enjoy it. It's coming in rough. It's very rough.
Choppy.
Yeah, that's choppy water right there. Yeah. Oh boy. No, it's a policeman. It's a policeman.
Oh, police?
The police run with their sirens, with their lights all the time. I shouldn't badmouth the police, but it is true.
Yeah, maybe for no reason.
Yeah, just because, well, they want to go home for the day. Their shift is over. You have to laugh. You have to laugh. Boy, my mouth is just watering and watering suddenly. So, yeah, I'm glad I've got that lemon juice. Well, if we hadn't had trouble with the one camera, sweetie.
Yeah. You can take them. Let me see what they have out here. So
we could have done a lot more. You want to see what they have here?
Just take your time. Here's a kind of steak.
And now I'm going to change the way this thing is hooked on, too, before we go out again.
This is bug juice here. Bug juice.
Want to go up here? Is there anything you want?
See, I have a tangerine or something. Let's see.
Okay.
They come in a water.
Oh, sorry. Whew. I'm tired, people. Tired. Okay. Okay, you ready to go? All right, people. We've made it to Port Morant, so we're going to go ahead and wrap things up. So be sure and like, share, comment, and subscribe for the latest from Red Button Journal. Big up yourself. Bless up yourself. Later and